The T-15 BMP Armata is the latest generation of AIFV, Armored Infantry Fighting Vehicle, developed and manufactured by the Russian defense industry. It was unveiled for the first time to the public during the rehearsal for the Victory Day military parade in April 2015. This vehicle is based on the Universal Platform Armata, which is also used for the T-14 Armata MBT. This enables T-15 to be deployed on a battlefield together with Armata tanks. This vehicle is expected to replace the BMP-2 and MT-LB-based platforms of the Russian ground forces. As far as design is concerned, the T-15 BMP Armata used a new design if you compare the old generation of Russian AIFV as the BMP family. At the front of the hull is located the crew of the vehicle with the commander, gunner and drive and the troops compartment at the rear, which can carry a total of 9 soldiers. The turret weapons station is fully autonomous with ammunition located inside the turret and thus fully isolated from the crew compartment. The armament include unmanned turret located at the rear of the vehicle, designed and manufactured by the defense company KBP. The turret is equipped with a 30mm to a 42 automatic cannon as main armament, a PKDM 7.62mm machine gun and 4 anti-tank guided missile Kornet D launchers. The cannon is highly reliable due to single-barrel gas-operated action, which has a maximum range of 4,000 meters. The T-15 Armata carries a total of 500 ammunition, including 160 armor-piercing and 340 high-explosive fragmentation rounds. The Kornet D missile used technical vision with an automatic target tracker to make it a fire-and-forget missile, giving it a 5 times increase in accuracy of target tracking at any range. It can engage target from a range of 150 to 10,000 meters. The fire-and-forget capability gives a vehicle the ability to salvo launch against 2 different targets at once. It can also salvo fire 2 missiles against 1 target to defeat vehicles equipped with an active protection system. The weapons station of the T-15 BMP Armata is fitted with a computerized fire control, which includes multi-sights, 1 for the gunner and 1 for the commander. The turret has day-night fire on the move capability. For close view, the T-15 is equipped with wide-angle cameras mounted around a vehicle, giving full 360-degree all-round vision on displays. The system allows the crew to appraise the area outside the vehicle before opening doors or hatches. According Russian information, the vehicle is also fitted with control and information systems to manage onboard equipment. The T-15 uses the same Afghanet active protection system as the T-14. The system uses millimeter-wave radars to detect incoming missiles and shells, deploying soft-kill smoke grenades from 4 launchers to disrupt visual and infrared guidance systems. As a hard-kill method, it launches projectiles from 5 tubes on the vehicle's hull to intercept the threat. While fielding less Afghanet tubes than the 10 of the T-14, the T-15's protection system is still one of the most capable. The Armata's malachite dual-layered reactive armor, making use of an advanced steel and ceramic composite, adds a formidable second layer of protection. The armor makes use of explosives to blast outwards shortly before a shell or missile hits the vehicle's hull, triggering the warhead of an incoming projectile prematurely, and thereby limiting its destructive potential. Further strengthening the defenses of the T-15 are a jammer to provide defense against radio-detonated mines, a heavily armored mine-resistant underside, and infrared signature minimizing paint. Due to engine at front, the vehicle is protected by add-on armor to provide protection not only from firing of small arms and shell splinters but also against the most modern tank ammunition and anti-tank guided missiles. The top of the vehicle seems to be protected by integrated explosive reactive armor. The chassis differs from that of the T-14 in that the engine is situated at the front of the vehicle, making room for troops to embark in the back. It is powered by a new generation 1500 horsepower multi-fuel diesel engine coupled with a hydromechanical automatic transmission. It has a combat weight of about 48 tons and a maximum road speed of 70 kilometers per hour. An operational range of 550 kilometers. Suspension of vehicle is torsion bar. The T-15 Armored Fighting Vehicle represents a considerable addition to the Russian army. One which could have as much of an effect on the country's armored warfare capabilities as its heavier T-14 platform. The T-15 represents a radical departure for its predecessors, and at 48 tons is one of the heaviest vehicles of its kind in service anywhere in the world. The platform is based on the concept of an armored fighting vehicle, designed to provide a high degree of protection to mechanized infantry while allowing them to rapidly redeploy to keep up with battle tanks as they penetrate enemy lines.